Easiest way to copy BMW BDC3 key using Keydiy KD-MAX. Full step-by-step tutorial. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostics, ECU programming, and advanced key solutions. Before we start, here's a quick but important note. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes only. Everything we show here is intended to guide professional technicians, learners, and enthusiasts in understanding how these tools work. All product names and logos belong to their respective owners, and we strictly follow fair use for demonstration and review purposes only. Always make sure you're complying with local laws and official manufacturer guidelines when working on vehicle systems. Now, let's get into today's topic, the BMW G-Series BDC3 key. If you've ever wondered how to copy or clone a BMW BDC3 smart key using the Keydiy KD-MAX, then you're in the right place. The KD-MAX has recently added support for BMW's G-Series BDC3 system, allowing users to duplicate a smart key in just a few steps. But here's the big question: how easy is it really? And what do you need to get the job done smoothly? Stick with me till the end, because I'll walk you through the complete process, step by step, and share a few pro tips you won't find in the manuals. Let's begin by understanding what makes the BMW BDC3 system special. The BDC, or Body Domain Controller, is the brain behind many key and body-related functions in modern BMWs. The BDC3 version specifically manages communication between your smart key, ignition, and vehicle's internal network. That means copying or cloning this type of key isn't just about duplicating a frequency. It's about reading and writing encrypted data securely. Now, the Keydiy KD-MAX remote generator is one of the most versatile tools available for this task. It supports smart remote cloning for a variety of vehicles, and with the latest update, it can now handle the BMW G-Series BDC3 smart key. To perform this process, you'll need a few essential components: the KD-MAX remote generator itself, the BMW BDC3 clip adapter, a Keydiy KD-FGB23 smart key, and of course, your original BDC3 key. Before diving into the steps, there's one important thing you need to know. To clone a BDC3 key, you must activate the BMW G-Series license inside your KD-MAX app. This activation costs either 5,000 KD coins or around $100, but once it's active, you're ready to start cloning any supported BDC3 key effortlessly. Let's go through the complete procedure, one part at a time. First, start by carefully disassembling the original BMW key shell. This gives you access to the internal board and chip, which you'll need to connect for data reading. Once that's done, connect the KD-MAX remote generation cable to the BMW BDC3 clip adapter. This adapter is designed specifically to communicate with the BDC3 chip on the key, ensuring accurate data transfer. Next, connect your original BDC3 key to the BDC3 clip adapter. Once that's securely attached, plug the KD remote generation cable into the KD-MAX main unit. Everything should now be connected properly: your original key, adapter, cable, and KD-MAX device. Now, open the KD app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Remote Function section, then go to Remote Clone, and select Clone Smart Remote. From the options, choose Clone BMW BDC3 Smart Key. The app will prompt you to confirm that the original key is connected. Once confirmed, the KD-MAX will begin reading data from the key's NCF79AX chip. This chip reading process is crucial. It captures all the encryption data from your original key. Once the data is successfully read, save the key data file within the app. This save file acts as your backup in case you need to regenerate or troubleshoot later. The next step is to select the Generate KD-FGB remote option. At this point, insert your blank KD-FGB23 smart key into the KD-MAX induction coil. The device will start copying the original key's data onto the new remote. During this stage, make sure not to move or disconnect anything, as stability ensures the cloning process completes successfully. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, the cloning is complete, Your Keydiy FGB23 remote is now an exact duplicate of the original BMW BDC3 smart key. What makes this process truly remarkable is how simplified it has become thanks to Keydiy's interface. In the past, duplicating BMW G-Series smart keys required complex setups and expensive equipment, often reserved for dealer-level programming. But now, with the KD-MAX and proper authorization, independent technicians and locksmiths can achieve the same results in just a few minutes. For example, if you're working on a BMW X5, X7, or 5 Series G30 with a BDC3 system, this cloning process works seamlessly. Once you've generated the new key, simply test it by checking remote functions such as lock, unlock, and comfort access. In most cases, the clone key works perfectly without additional programming. It's worth noting that data accuracy is everything in this process. If the adapter isn't properly connected or the key shell isn't disassembled correctly, the KD-MAX may fail to read the chip data. So always double-check your connections. Keep the device firmware updated, and ensure your Keydiy app has the latest version to avoid any interruptions. By following these steps, you can confidently duplicate a BMW BDC3 key with minimal effort. The KD-MAX system essentially transforms a once complex task into a smooth, beginner-friendly experience. For workshop owners, this not only saves time, but also adds another profitable service to your list. Now, here's a little secret that even many pros don't talk about. Keydiy's app frequently releases updates that improve reading stability and add support for newer BDC versions. So if you're planning to work on future BMW models, keeping your device updated is the smartest move you can make. And that's it. You just learned how to copy a BMW G-Series BDC3 key using the Keydiy KD-MAX tool. So, back to our opening question. How easy is it to copy a BMW BDC3 key with KD-MAX? The answer is surprisingly easy, as long as you have the right setup, authorization, and follow the steps carefully. From my personal experience, I'd say this tool is a game changer for both professionals and enthusiasts. It bridges the gap between dealer-level capability and independent repair flexibility. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried cloning a BMW smart key before? What tools or methods work best for you? Share your experience in the comments below, because your feedback helps others in the community learn faster. Before you go, here's a quick fun fact. Did you know the NCF79AX chip used in BMW BDC3 keys is part of the same family found in certain high-end Mercedes and Audi smart systems? It's a fascinating example of how similar hardware can be adapted differently across car brands. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please help this video reach new heights. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Drop your questions, hype this video, and subscribe to Baabji Motors if you haven't already. Every bit of engagement keeps us growing and helps us bring you more in-depth automotive programming tutorials like this one. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and, as always, happy diagnosing.